Dress to impress or dress for comfort? A woman's take on men's travel fashion. It's a question that seems simple enough, but it's sparked heated debates around the inside hook office. What should men wear when they travel? Opinions are divided, with some insisting on comfort at all costs, and others advocating for hard pants at all times. So what's the answer? It really depends on personal preference. However, there are a few factors to consider before deciding on your travel attire. Firstly, the length of your flight. For short trips, jeans might be acceptable, but for long-haul flights, elastic waistbands are a must. Recently, I discovered Ragbone's viral Miramar collection, which combines the comfort of sweatpants with the appearance of denim. While it may seem gimmicky, they're surprisingly comfortable and convincing. If you're not convinced, a breathable and stylish pair of sweats will do the trick. Secondly, consider your itinerary upon arrival. If you're planning to hit the ground running, dress accordingly. Wandering around a new city in wrinkled and sweaty plain clothes is not ideal. Opt for relaxed fit pants that are both comfortable and presentable. If you're headed straight to a work function, pack a cardigan or a lightweight blazer that won't look like it's been stuffed in an overhead bin. Thirdly, take note of the weather at your destination. If you're traveling to a warmer location, avoid heavy layers, but remember that plains can be chilly. A crewneck shirt is a good option, and the base layer is crucial. Choose a structured, breathable t-shirt that looks good on its own. Practicality is also important. Despite the TSA's shoes-off policy being lifted, air travel is still not the time for cumbersome footwear. Slip-on shoes are the way to go, whether it's Ugg boots or Birkenstock clogs. If you want to look more put together, a slip-on loafer is a good choice. Finally, there are a few things you should never wear on a plane. Shorts and sandals are not recommended, especially if you're selected for extra screening. Bare legs against the seat are unpleasant, and unexpected skin-to-skin contact with strangers is best avoided. Linen clothing is also a no-go due to its tendency to wrinkle. In conclusion, dressing for travel is a matter of personal preference, but there are certain factors to consider. Whether you prioritize comfort or style, make sure your travel attire meets your needs and allows you to enjoy your journey to the fullest.